For over 2,000 years, Aristotle's ideas have remained true. However, one man started to disprove his ideas. His name was Galileo Galilei.
Galileo was born in Pisa, Italy, 1564. During his education, his focus of study was medicine at the University of Pisa, but he also studied mathematics. Later on in his life, he came up with 4 ideas that describe motion. The first idea was that heavy objects and light objects fall at the same rate. He modeled it with the equation time equals the square root of twice the distance over acceleration. To prove his idea correct, we did an experiment.
We dropped 2 different objects with different masses at the same time. This seems to prove Galileo wrong, but this is actually because of air resistance. Now, if we put a folder under the piece of paper, it creates a vacuum, preventing air resistance from affecting the paper, thus allowing them to reach the ground at the exact same time.
Galileo's second idea was that distance of falling objects increases quadratically. He described it with the equation distance equals initial velocity times time plus half of acceleration times time squared.
Here the object travels further in less time as more time passes, meaning that the object's distance increases quadratically relative to time.
Connecting this to Galileo's third idea, stating that the speed of falling objects increases linearly, described with the equation final velocity equals initial velocity plus acceleration times time. The object takes less time at each interval because the object is speeding up at a linear rate. Galileo's fourth idea states that the acceleration of falling objects remain constant. The rate that the object is speeding up is at the acceleration. This is described with the equation acceleration equals twice the distance over time squared. On Earth, the acceleration of gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared.
Galileo's ideas led to an advancement in our understanding of the universe, and even if his ideas may be disproven in the future, we'll always give credit for him for his discoveries. Thank you for listening to our presentation.